उन्होंने कहा ना कि लोकतंत्र में अगर विपक्ष को विश्वास न हो तो माओवादियों को शामिल है। इन्हीं सब मुद्दों को जोड़ते हुए उन्होंने कहा।
श्री प्रणब मुखर्जी इस देश के बहुत वरिष्ठ नेता हैं, सरकार के वरिष्ठ मंत्री हैं। हम लोग अपेक्षा करते हैं कि विरोधियों पर टिप्पणी करते वक्त भी संयम रखना आवश्यक है और इसलिए विपक्ष के संबंध में कहना कि आपकी जेपीसी की मांग या संसद में आपका विरोध ये माओवादियों के साथ आपकी तरह हो, ये बयान समझ आने वाला नहीं है। अच्छा रहता कि माओवादियों से दूर रहने का सुझाव वो पश्चिम बंगाल में जो उनके चुनाव के सहयोगी हैं उनको देते, तो शायद देश के हित में ज़्यादा जाता।
But Mr. Jaitley, his assertion was that since the BJP and mainly the opposition, a united opposition is not allowing the parliament to function, it actually gives in to the agenda of the Maoists and they should go join Maoists. That was his assertion.
Well, parliamentary obstructionism in rare cases has been a part of parliamentary practice even when the Congress was in opposition. And therefore, when the Congress in the opposition did it, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee did not behave like a Maoist, he still behaved like a responsible opposition leader.
Sir, एक सवाल और यहाँ पर
the CPI is now loosening the demand, not pressing the GPC, saying that there are other important issues to be taken care of. Is that something the BJP agrees with? Could we possibly see a softening of stand from the BJP perhaps?
Well, all other issues are important, but the CPI must remember that corruption is also a very important issue.
So that means the business is going to be...
I've given you a
Mr. Jaitley, on the issue of corruption, it seems that your Karnataka Chief
One
Minister is
second, can you just reply to that in English about that Maoist bit? Pranab Mukherjee and the Maoist bit and the Mamata Commission.
Well, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee is a very senior leader in the government, and we always hoped that senior leaders would exercise restraint while commenting even on opponents. Even when the Congress was in opposition, there was parliamentary obstructionism. And surely we never said that the Congress was then behaving like the Maoists. Parliamentary obstructionism, in the rarest of rare cases, has always been a part of parliamentary tactics. But as far as comparing concern against the Maoist is concerned, I think instead of advising the opposition, it would do well if Mr. Pranab Mukherjee advised his ally in West Bengal to maintain a safe distance from the Maoist.
So on the issue of corruption, it seems that the Karnataka Chief Minister has in fact landed himself in a controversy with the governor. Now he's coming to Delhi to speak to senior leaders. What time will you be meeting him? Because in the past also he has met you.
Well, certainly when he comes, he'll meet several senior leaders. I'll be meeting him. There's no time fixed as yet, but surely...
What sort of legal options will you be looking at?
Well, I'm not making... I'll only discuss with him.
एक सवाल जेपीसी पर आपको कहते हैं कि आप लोगों का लोकतंत्र पर भरोसा नहीं है तो आप जो है माओवादियों से मिले हैं, और दूसरी तरफ सीपीएम के प्रकाश करात जो महासचिव हैं वो कहते हैं कि हम लगातार गतिरोध है उस पर एक बार विचार करेंगे बाकी पार्टियों के साथ। तो सरकार ने
देखिए, जेपीसी की मांग करना तो पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी की मांग करना है, वो संसदीय व्यवस्था के खिलाफ कैसे जाती है?
सीपीएम अपने स्टैंड से पीछे हटते ही लगता है।
अब देखते हैं।
One last issue. It seems that there are excesses being committed against fishermen in Tamil Nadu by the Sri Lankan Navy. Today again a fresh incident has happened. How does the BJP look at this? Do you think you need to raise this issue up?
I think it's a very important issue. Even in the past few weeks, this has come up repeatedly, and we hope that the central government will effectively take it up with the Sri Lankan authorities.
Sir, just one last question, sir. There are some reports that there are some of the BJP workers in Jammu and Kashmir have been arrested as stone pelters. Have you heard anything on that? Or?
No, I don't know whether they've been arrested as stone pelters or not, but we certainly know that in the valley, a large number of our workers are being arrested.
But you don't have any confirmation on the fact that they've been arrested and counted as stone pelters?
No, I'll see, examine the charges.
हंसराज भारद्वाज की जो सुकर्म है उसके ऊपर भी कुछ,
क्या?
हंसराज भारद्वाज के सुकर्मों के ऊपर भी कुछ
नहीं, मैंने कल पूरा इतना डिटेल विस्तृत बयान दिया। थैंक यू।